started in the mid-afternoon. So we are gonna shoot a reel. I mean 3 reels. Yeah, 3 reels. So we got ready. We are getting ready.
We forgot to shoot. Wait for our video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.
Yes. So we are gonna shoot now 3 reels. So we'll be back soon.
Stop taking reel of me.
I'm not taking reel of you. I'm taking a video of you.
What?
Yeah.
My notes.
Those both are getting ready for the new reel. I'm going back home because I'm done to change this outfit. I'm taking these kiddos also with me. Come, you're coming home. Come. So I'll go home, I'll change my outfit, get some water to them or some refreshments because it's too damn hot and we can't tolerate. So I have changed my outfit and I came down and got them a little bit of water also. Where are they? Oh, they're there. Found them. They haven't changed their outfit. I don't know when they're going to change outfit, when they're going to shoot. I'm tired. What you guys are doing? Cannot walk only with that heels. They're gone for the changing outfits now. Go, I'll sit and rest for a while until they change. Hope this doesn't break. So hot, so damn tired. I already shooted 2 reels and that shooting one more. In that I said I'm not interested. I'm not coming. Why? I guess I need to go and help them. Okay, see ya after the dress. Waiting for them. Guys, are you done? I don't know. What can we do? You'll go first.
Over there, we'll check.
That's gym room. It's same thing. If you go from here, if you go from here, same. So
People are doing it. You go first. Yeah.
I don't know. I'm looking like some homeless. How can I?
The only option is jumping off and going.
Hey, you go first. You can go. I'll stand in the middle and I'll have some.
Bro, if I'm like that, and people will see us, you know.
You can jump from there.
Yeah, probably that. We go. People and 50 people. Imagine 2 people is better.
They're going to jump from here. See how jugaad we are doing. My God. What happened was there?
At the seminar, you can see what's happening.
Oh, is there? Oh. Papa, she's stuck. God knows if people see us. I don't know. Okay, guys, help me hold the stand. Okay, so should I jump from here? Wait, take the photo.
Give the camera.
No, I know myself. I know you. You guys are going to shoot. Yes.
भैया यहाँ से ठीक है
Those people are wondering why are we doing all this. Okay, coming. The second one is out to go. You remove his. Huh? Circulation Zena, you can't go there. Go fast. They're waiting. Mission successful, guys. Idea doesn't come somehow. See how much jugaad you're doing, guys. At last. I finished.
situation.
Yeah.
Bro, my friends are gonna make fun of me to see this video. Oh no, my reputation.
It was so embarrassing.
It looked like they were running away from a wedding. And that is a very skirt. Shadi, you know. It's perfect because we don't want to get married. You want to get married? Yeah. I don't want to get married.
Okay.
My real life situation.
Okay, where will take?
My leg hurts, heels.
Those people literally saw us, I guess, jumping like that. They were smiling at me very badly,
Bro,
you know.
those people kept staring at our souls. that bhaiya was like, we do fast and go, bro. No.
Thirsty, yeah. Open the stand.
Guys, I feel so embarrassed. You people will go, okay? You come once in a while. I have to live here forever.
Then you get that idea, you tell me. You were the one. You were the one.
I didn't know they would stare into my souls like that. I thought there were only two people.
It was the most embarrassing part. We thought the two people are there on the other side. So what we decided, we jump and go. We have to jump two what's that?
Like,
two walls.
It's like
yeah,
a
two
room.
walls.
So there's this entry to a room where there is no walls.
Oh God.
Okay, so we just jumped and went. So then there's like a wall for pickleball. So we jumped and went.
We jumped
and then
literally
we thought
two
there were
walls.
only two people sitting over there
Huh.
because there's a bench. We thought there was a birthday party celebration going, like preparations, and then we thought only two people are there. I jump first, and I see 15 people sitting
And
and
I just
wiping
bow
plates.
down there and I just see
And then,
that
she, and then all are like,
all are looking at us. And I was the last person to go. When I'm about to jump, everyone else.
Not that was not the most funny part. The funny part was they both started fighting who should go first. I am standing there. I'm standing like this. I'm like, come guys, come.
Those buyers also were like, how much this girl should do drama.
The other buyers were like, isko to complain. I'm like, no, wait, don't complain.
They were literally staring at us really badly. And after we jumped, we just ran away from that place.
No, the thing is, I need to stay here. They will go.
Papa.
I will come and embarrass you in your layout. Wait. Thank God none of the apartment people were there.
Okay,
let's continue shooting.
Yeah. Guys, now we are done. I'm literally sweating. So tired. We are done with all the reels
home
now.
and drink Coke first.
I just want to go and drink something cold.
Oh God.
How many takes did we take? Altogether, I guess more than 13, right?
More than 13.
Yeah.
Last time it was like 50 or something, no? For the other ones.
I guess.
We took more, like the first few.
Why are you standing in the middle of that? Standing there itself.
Slowly.
I get.
Slowly, bro. Oh, you remember that one time in Magya that Eva? Remember that one time when we were in our native during lockdown and we left Eva by mistake and she's like, I'm so lonely. She didn't come out.
Actually.
That was extraordinary. Actually, continue.
Yeah, I forgot.
How can you forget so fast? Bullockers. We all are bullockers. Oh God.
We are going back home.
The Chacha's bike. Look at us. Oh God.
These both are like already done.
That's the first thing I'm gonna night dress. Just go to relax, you know.
You're sitting so like some auntie. You forgot something?
I'm done. Finally free.
Yeah, done at last.
Azad punching. She's not holding anything. Look at her.
That's because that's not my stuff. And you're not guys.
Look at her. Nothing she's holding. She doesn't want to show her face because she's looking homeless.
You don't know how to manage in heels. Will you stop laughing? The way she's walking now, guys. My God.
Oh God. She looks like she's drunk. Again, we have to go home and show our dance to our family.
Yeah, we have to go and practice.
I got.
You're not coming? Apna bana le piya?
I forgot to subscribe.
Here I forgot. I have to practice.
No way. Let's show Eva walking when she's going over.
Yeah.
You know how she walks? like some mother who cannot walk.
Matari
What is
means
mother?
grandmother. Old woman. In Konkani. Now she's trying to walk properly, but she can't. It's okay, go. No, they're awake.
They're talking. Eva, turn. Do that hair flip. Deepika Padukone hair flip.
Oh.
What is this?
She's wearing heels and she can't walk. Say hi.
Hi.
Relaxing. We are done for the day. These people are drinking Coke.
Done shooting?
Cheers.
Cheers. This madam doesn't want, so...
I already drank 1 cup and I told them not to refill, but they refill and they brought.
Did she say?
I told.
She did.
I told. You don't have ears. I told.
In your mind.
I didn't tell. I told it loudly, okay?
Relax, bro.
So then you are drinking alcohol.
Oh, you remember that party? NA party?
Yeah, in the previous vlog.
See her? Gone crazy.
If I drink that Coke, will you? I can't drink the whole thing. You guys. Okay, give me the half. What? Excuse me.
We can have. It's fine, chill.
No, I want to have 2 sips.
We'll manage.
You know, guys, I can't have a lot. I have a very small appetite and I can't. But I want to drink that.
Small appetite, Eva.
You said you don't want to drink it. We bought it and you were quarreling literally.
Hey, Rabo. Wait, they're calling. Only in front of you she's innocent.
What in front of who? What?
In front of the camera only. Behind you have to see how much she...
See, guys, they'll act this much only in the front of the camera. Just imagine behind the camera how much they'll do.
See, we're real.
सोचने वाली बात है.
We're real.
Yeah, even I'm real. Why? What
Yeah.
am fake?
This is real, Eva.
Can't help it.
Coke is the secret of my energy.
We are going for a walk after the dinner. Night out. The whole time is coming for a walk.
Yeah. Wait.
Down. Did it come? On for a walk.
Just one more mistake.
Hi guys.
Yes.
Pyara.
How many times should I say hi? He'll meet every single time and he'll tell hi. I'll say one more way. I don't know why he's not coming to the vlog.
Sambar, chutney. Dosa, idli. Sambar, chutney.
It's nice and then it's screaming.
And I am Laisha's brother.
Chillax, bro.
I don't know why one more is not coming. After she'll always comes for a vlog.
Calm down.
We got our ice creams.
Wait, is it seen?
Yeah.